Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to scan a QR code using the Dropbox app. Whether you're accessing shared files or setting up your account, scanning QR codes in Dropbox is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Dropbox app installed on your device and that you're logged into your account. Once you're ready, open the Dropbox app. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a row of icons. Tap on the plus button. It's the one that looks like a plus sign. This button allows you to add new content to your Dropbox account or perform other actions. From the menu that appears, select Scan Document. This option enables your device's camera and prepares it to scan documents or QR codes. Now, point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible within the frame on your screen. The app will automatically detect and process the QR code. Once scanned, Dropbox will handle the QR code by either opening a link, granting access to a file or folder, or completing any other associated action. That's it. You've successfully scanned a QR code using Dropbox. This feature is perfect for quickly accessing shared files or folders without needing to manually type in links or navigate through menus. It's all about saving time and making file sharing effortless. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance with scanning QR codes on Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.